Hello, little stars. I'm letter W. Hello, children. I am water. Hello, little ones. I am a window. Hi, friends. I am wool. Hello, children. I am a windmill.
Now our teacher will explain to you about objects and letter W.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter W. Look carefully at this letter children. This is capital letter W. Children, this is water. We drink water every day to stay healthy. This is a window. A window lets fresh air and sunlight come inside. This is wool. Wool is used to make warm clothes. This is a windmill. A windmill uses wind to make electric energy. Great job, children. You learned letter W today. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. Today, I show you beautiful flowers from my garden.
Look at this flower. This is a daffodil. It looks bright. Look at this flower. This is a periwinkle. It is purple. Look here. This is a daisy. It has a yellow center. Oh, I water my flowers every day. I take care of my garden.
Hello, children. Did you see the flowers?
This is a daffodil. It needs sunlight to grow.
This is a periwinkle. It grows near the ground. This is a daisy. It has soft petals. Very good, children. Today we learned about flowers. We will meet in the next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. We are number 10. 1 and 0 together make 10.
Look here! We have so many friends!
Hello, children. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, children! You counted well. There are 10 friends. We will meet in the next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children! Look at me!
This is one line. This is another line. Cross, cross. 2 crossing lines make X.
I am the letter X. Say with me, children. Letter X. Say again, letter X. Letter X.
Hello. I am an Xmas tree. I have lights and balls. Hello. I am an X-ray. I show bones.
Hi. I am a xylophone. I make music.
Hello, children. Did you see the letter X? This is an Xmas tree. We use it on Christmas. X for Xmas tree. This is an X-ray. Doctors use it to see bones. X for X-ray. This is a xylophone. We can tap it to make music. X for xylophone. Very good, children. We will meet in the next session. Bye-bye.
The goose and its golden egg. Once there lived a poor farmer. He had a goose. It laid 1 golden egg every day. The farmer sold the eggs and became rich. He was a greedy farmer. He wanted all the golden eggs at the same time. So he took a knife and cut the goose but found only one egg inside it. One who desires more loses all. One should remain satisfied with what one gets.
Look at this flower. This is a lotus. It is pink. It looks very soft. Look here. This is a sunflower. It is yellow. It looks like the sun. Look at this flower. This is a marigold. It is orange. It looks very round.
Hello children, did you see the flowers? Beautiful, right? This is a lotus flower. It grows in water. Sunflower. This is a sunflower. It turns towards the sun. And this is a marigold. We use it for decorations.
Let us take care of plants, children. We will meet in the next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am the letter Y. Say with me, letter Y. This is yolk. Yolk is inside an egg. Look here. This is a yacht. A yacht moves on water. Look at this. This is a yo-yo. A yo-yo goes up and down.
Hello children, you saw the letter Y today. This is yolk. It is yellow in color. This is a yacht. It is a big boat. This is a yo-yo. It is a toy. Very good children. We will meet in next session. Bye-bye.
Look at this flower. This is jasmine. It is white. It smells very nice. Look here. This is a hibiscus. It is red. It looks very big. Look at this flower. This is a tulip. It is pink. It looks very pretty.
Hello children, let us see these flowers. This is a hibiscus. It has soft petals. This is a tulip. It grows on a long stem. And this is jasmine. It smells very nice. Very good children. We will meet in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am the letter Z. Say with me, letter Z.
Oh, I am a zoo. I have many animals.
Hello. I am a zebra. I am an animal.
Hi, I am a zip. I open and close.
Hello children. Let us learn about the letter Z today. This is a zoo. Animals live here. Z for zoo. This is a zebra. It has black and white stripes. This is a zip. We use it on clothes. Very good children. We will meet in next session. Bye-bye.
Hello, welcome to Yellow, Yellow Sun. Yellow, yellow, yellow sun, smiling down at everyone. Up above the world so high, shaped like a fireball in the sky.
Hello children, look at this flower. This is mogra. It is white in color. Look here. This is a dahlia flower. It has many petals. Hello children. Let me tell you about these flowers. This is mogra. We use it to make garlands.
This is a dahlia flower. It is red and looks very bright.
Flowers make our world beautiful. We will meet in the next session. Bye-bye, children.
Hello, children. I am an oval shape. I am long and round.
Hello, I am an egg. People eat me. Hi, I am a watermelon. I am a fruit.
Hello, children. Today we will learn about a new shape. This shape is called oval. This is an egg. We boil eggs to eat. It is oval in shape, is a watermelon. It is big. It also looks like an oval shape.
Very good, children. We will meet in next session. Bye-bye.